Hey guys, what's up? And today we're gonna make this amazing chocolate ice cream, which you can make without condensed milk, which is the best part of this ice cream. So let's get started. So first of all, you need is 1 cup any cream, any sort of cream. It could be dairy cream or whipping cream, but if it is whipping cream, it will be more good. Beat that well, and then add 1 cup of milk, and then again beat it well using a beater, or even you can use a hand beater also if you don't have this machine beater. And then half cup of sugar. Make sure it is castor sugar, and then 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Beat it well again. And this sort of texture you will get after mixing all the ingredients, and then mix it a little using your spoon, and then put a plastic wrap on your bowl and freeze it for overnight. And then the next day when you'll take it out, this is how it's going to turn out. It's going to taste amazing and your ice cream is ready to eat. Make sure to try this out because this is gonna taste amazing. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, everyone.